In the news this week, Majid Al Futtaim signs a 6.2 megawatt peak solar agreement with Yellow Door Energy. More oil industry contracts awarded in Kuwait. An award for an iconic bridge for the Red Sea project. New projects for Sir Industrial City in Oman. TMG Holding lays the cornerstone for the Noor City in East Cairo in Egypt. And considerations for a futuristic suspended rail network in Dubai. My name's Phil Higgins and this is the Ventures Onsite Construction News Update for the Middle East region. Thanks for joining us. UAE's Majid Al Futtaim has signed a 6.2 megawatt peak solar power purchase agreement with solar developer Yellow Door Energy in Bahrain. The agreement will bring clean energy to the Bahrain Mall operated by Carrefour and will be the largest private solar plant in the kingdom. Spanning over 40,000 square meters, the rooftop solar plant is expected to generate 10 million kilowatt hours of clean energy in its first year of operation, equivalent to reducing carbon emissions by 6,300 tons. Over 11,600 solar panels will be installed to meet 50% of the shopping mall's energy consumption needs. The agreement is part of the renovation and expansion plan for the Bahrain Mall and will be completed in 2022. Combined Group Contracting Kuwait announced it has been awarded a contract related to the oil flow lines project by Kuwait Oil Company. The company stated that the works include establishment of crude oil flow lines and related works for the Burgan and Mugara fields. The value of the contract is $14.8 million and the duration of the project is 12 months. Heavy Engineering Industries and Shipbuilding Company in Kuwait also announced that it has secured 2 contracts from Kuwait Oil Company valued at $22.9 million. The contracts are related to oil flow line in the West Kuwait and implementation and calibration and comprehensive maintenance of measurement systems in the areas of the KOC network. In Saudi Arabia, the Red Sea Development Company has appointed Archidon to design and build a 1.2 kilometer iconic bridge, which is part of the 3.3 kilometer crossing to its main hub island, Suraya. Suraya Island is one of the 22 islands selected for development. The contract follows major marine enabling works carried out by Archidon across the development last year. Oman's public establishment for industrial estates Medan has announced that its board has approved new projects for Sir Industrial City. These include setting up of a township for the integrated workforce by the private sector, a shipyard project which will also house a factory for modern fishing vessels, along with a ship maintenance facility and repair center, among other related services. According to Medan, these new projects will get special incentives that were announced earlier this year, including a 2-year exemption from rental rates, followed by reduction in the rental value for a period of 3 years by 50% for contracts that are concluded during the period from 2021 to 2024. The Egyptian Minister for Housing, Assam El Ghazar, and the Chairman and Managing Director of Talat Mustafa Group Holdings, TMG Holdings, Hisham Talat Mustafa, laid the cornerstone for the Noor City in East Cairo. The project will be implemented in partnership between TMG's holding subsidiary, Arab Company for Projects and Urban Development, and the new Urban Communities Authority, NUCA, according to a statement by the Ministry of Housing on Sunday. Over an area of 5,000 fadans in Capital Garden City. The city will be established with a total investment of 500 billion Egyptian pounds. The project will feature 14,000 residential units, which can accommodate up to 600,000 people, as well as commercial, administrative, and government services areas. International companies SWA, Sasaki, BCG, and Perkins Eastman were involved in planning the city. Dubai's Road and Transport Authority, RTA, and China's Zhongtang Sky Railway Group have signed a memorandum of understanding to explore the potential of developing a futuristic suspended rail network. The project aims to control traffic congestion by providing affordable mobility solutions for the public. The rail system will traverse over ground and is expected to encourage more people to use public transport. RTA is signing multiple MOUs with expert firms in the development of suspended transport systems for identifying the required technologies to execute the project. In our latest Ventures Onsite webinar hosted last week, our guest speakers Scott Coombs from AESG, Jason Langer from Robert Bird Group, and George Arvanidis from RMJM highlighted the future holds immense opportunities for refurbishment, repurposing, and life extension projects, especially in the UAE. They confirmed that Saudi Arabia is buzzing with new project opportunities and that the UAE project activity will be led by Abu Dhabi Project Awards, and Dubai will witness a rise in repurposing and refurbishment of major assets. If you missed this webinar, you can find a link to the replay in the description below. Well, that's it for this week. We hope this news update has helped you stay informed so you stay competitive. My name's Phil Higgins, and this is Ventures Onsite Live.